Hello students. So this is the continued class of our last time. Okay, last time हमने page number 40 move on to page number 40 and we had done till mini toolbar. So today we are going to start with working with a workbook. Okay, so how we work with a workbook, that we are going to study. Okay, so what is a workbook? First of all, it is a combination of the sheets, that is worksheets के combination को हम workbook बोलते हैं. Okay, so now first one is creating a workbook. So how you will create a workbook? So first of all, here I am moving in file because this is MS Excel 2013, but in your books it is given upon about MS Excel 2007. Okay, so in you will just go on to that symbol, okay, which is given in your book. You can view it right there. Now here I am going to click in file. So click on file and then click on new. Okay, so after clicking on new, you will select the, so this is available in MS Excel 2013, लेकिन in 2007 there is only one option जैसा कि आपकी book में दिया हुआ है. So you will select that. Okay, and that will be created. Okay, so this has been created now. So this is how you create a workbook. Now by default the name new document, okay, it is in the right hand side first paragraph. By default the new document, that is workbook, shows three sheets at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so यहाँ पे total 3 sheets होती है by default. Okay, now the highlighted one is open for you to work on. So जो highlighted one है, that is where you are working on. So I'm working on sheet 3, that's why it is highlighted here. Okay, so below you can see, if you want to open a new workbook, you can also press Ctrl plus N in your कीबोर्ड. ओके, सो अब ये नई शीट खुल चुकी है, आप देख सकते हैं शीट 1 है ये. ओके, एंड टू सेव यू विल प्रेस कंट्रोल प्लस एस. ओके, इसके बारे में आगे देखेंगे. नाउ entering data. So how you enter a data? So first of all you click on that and then you press anything whichever you want. Okay, so if you, okay, so whatever you will type, that will be present right here also. Okay, so जिस भी सेल में आप जो भी लिखेंगे, that वो यहाँ पर भी शो होगा. Okay, just like this. Okay, working with whatever you are working with, so whatever MS Excel. Okay, so I have pressed this. This is visible right here also. Okay, so after you enter, this will be बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट ये अपने आप ही सेल्स को मर्ज कर देता है. जैसे ये हमने एक सेल पे लिखा था, बट दिस वॉज वेरी लार्ज सेंटेंस, सो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट दिस जो भी सेल्स थी वो मर्ज हो चुकी है एंड ये अपने आप ही ऐसा हो गया. ओके, सो to enter data in an active cell, you can just click in the cell where you want the data and begin typing. तो जहाँ पर भी आप करना चाहते हैं, like if I want to type here, so I will type here. Okay, so it will be simple. Okay, so wherever you want to do, you can just click on that. That will be your active cell L, and you can type there, and whatever you will type, that will be shown right here also, and then you will click enter, so it will be typed. Okay, so to enter data through the formula bar, click on the cell where you want your data, then place the cursor on the formula bar and type in your data. Okay, so if you want here, and आप यहाँ पे भी press कर सकते हैं, and whatever you will type, that will be shown here. Okay, so next is move on to page number 41. Let's get started with our save a workbook. So how you will save a workbook? When you want to save a document, you have two choices. Okay, you can do save or save as. So save option is for save as. जब आप अपनी फाइल को पहली बार सेव करते हैं, then that is called save as. But अगर if you are working on that file which you have already made sometimes ago, and now you are making changes in that, so you will save for that. Okay, so अगर हम दूसरी तीसरी या चौथी बार सेम फाइल में काम कर रहे हैं तो उसे हम सेव करते हैं. अगर फर्स्ट बार करते हैं तो हम उसे सेव एज करते हैं. ओके, सो अगेन you will click on this and then you will click on save as, and then you will select the document, means wherever you want, the place where you want to okay, like if I'm going to select it in desktop, so I'm saving it by the name book 3. Okay, so then you will click on save and it will be saved. So when you will save it, the name which you gave to it, book 3, that will be here. Okay, so if अगर मैं इसके बाद कोई changes कर रही हूँ अपनी फाइल में, like I'm typing here anything, saving a file. Okay, so if I want to save this, now what do I have to do? I will just press select all. I will just press ctrl plus s. Okay, that is control plus s press करूँगी तो अब ये save हो जाएगा. Okay, so for first time save as, and for second, third or another time save, just save. Okay, next is open a workbook. So how you will open a workbook? So you will click on, again I'm clicking on file, you will click on open. Okay, so these are the workbooks that will be present here. Okay, so whichever workbook you want to open, you can open that. Okay, so all right, next one is manipulating data. Okay, so before manipulating data, just move on to all MS Excel, that red one. Okay, all MS Excel files are saved with the extension .x .xlsx. Okay, so by default this is the extension. Okay, now press home to move to column A in the given row. Okay, so अगर आप home पे click करेंगे, so you will go to column A. Okay, now press control plus home to move to cell A1 in the worksheet. So control plus home press करके. Okay, okay, so if that is in your keyboard. Okay, keyboard में अगर आप सिर्फ home press करेंगे, then you will move on to the first cell, that is first column, that is A. Okay, अब मैं control plus home press करूँगी तो आप changes देखना, control plus home, so वो किस पे चला गया, A1 पर. Okay, so just press home, then it will just press home, then it will go to the first okay, like I'm here, just press home, it will move on to the first column, and control plus home, it will move on to the first cell. Okay, next is manipulating data. Manipulating means making changes on that. So MS Excel allows you to select, cut, copy, paste cells and cell content in a worksheet. Okay, so the various ways to select a cell or data to be copied or cut are click in the cell. So सबसे पहले आप उसे click करेंगे. Okay, like I'm clicking this. Okay, so click on that. Okay, and then click and drag the cursor to select cells and contents. Okay, like if I want to select this whole row, then I will press right here और ये पूरी की पूरी cell जो है वो copy हो चुकी है. Okay, so select हो चुकी है, sorry. Now move on to page number 42. Okay, select a row or column. Row और column को कैसे करेंगे, यही you will press right here, then this whole row will be selected, and if you will press right here, then this whole column will be selected. Okay, so next is copy and paste. Copy और paste कैसे करेंगे, copy paste and cut का देखेंगे हम इसमें. So I am going to copy this one. Okay, so saving a file को मैं I am going to copy this, type here. Okay, steps to copy and paste. Now बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, और सबसे पहले आप क्या कर सकते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द cell you want to copy. Okay, you can then go to your home and press on copy. Okay, so copy पे press करेंगे, and then जो भी आपने copy किया होगा that will be shown with this dotted line. Okay, now if I want to paste it here, then I will move to that cell where I want to paste it, and then I will click on this paste. Okay, so it will be it has been pasted here. So this is first option. Second is, if you want to copy, okay, then click on that and press ctrl plus C. Okay, and then press anywhere, and from your keyboard press Ctrl plus V, that is paste. Okay, so this is how it is done. Okay, now next is cut and paste. How you will cut and paste? So if I want to cut this one, okay, so I will press on this, and then I will go to home tab, and then cut. Okay, so this has been cut, and now I will move on to whichever cell I want to work on, and then I will paste it right here. So पहले यहाँ था, now it has been moved to this cell. Okay, so this can also be done with the help of keyboard. First of all, to cut you will press Ctrl plus X. Okay, and then to paste you will do same, Ctrl plus V. Okay, so this has been done. Okay, next one is undo and redo. Undo, undo and redo. Okay, these are two. So if you want to undo anything, okay, that is the changes you have made and you want to undo them, that is आप वो changes नहीं चाहते, you want कि जो डॉट XLS था पहले यहाँ था वहीं पर ही चाहिए जैसे कि पहले था. So you will press undo. So what is undo? Here the undo आप डायरेक्ट यहाँ पे भी प्रेस कर सकते हैं. ओके, और यू कैन प्रेस इन कीबोर्ड कंट्रोल प्लस जेड, तो फिर वो अंडू होते रहेगा. तो ऐसे करते करते जैसे जैसे आप प्रेस करेंगे ये अंडू होते रहेंगे. दैट इज़ जो जो आपने नए नए स्टेप्स किए थे वो इरेज होते रहेंगे और इट विल मूव ऑन टू द पास्ट स्टेप्स. ओके, now next one is redo. That is if you want to redo whatever जो भी आपने steps को erase कर दिया, आप उन steps को वापस से चाहते हैं, then how you will redo like this. Okay, so जैसे जैसे आप redo press करते रहेंगे जो जो आपने नए नए changes किए थे वो आते रहेंगे. In keyboard the shortcut key for this is Ctrl plus Y. Okay, तो आप जितने जितने press करेंगे वहाँ वहाँ पे move करता रहेगा. Okay, so that's all. This is cut and undo and redo. Okay, now move on to page number 43. Okay, so exiting Microsoft Excel. So how you will exit it? You will simply press on this, but before that you have to save your file. Okay, अगर save नहीं करोगे तो आप देख सकते हो, अगर save नहीं करोगे तो ये इस टाइप से आएगा, want to save your changes to book 3 or not. Okay, so if you want to save it then save, if you don't then don't save. Okay, but wise option is first of all you have to save your file. Okay, Control plus S पे press करेंगे and then you will exit it. Okay, for exiting you will click on this close button. Okay, so वो वाली क्लोज हो चुकी है, बट ये और भी शीट्स थी, जैसे ये बुक 2 है. ओके, तो और सारी ओपन है यहाँ पे. वो फिर से वही हो गया कि इफ़ यू वांट टू सेव देम और नॉट, सो आई डोंट वांट टू सेव देम. नाउ ये पहली वाली शीट थी बुक 1. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस क्लास. This was your explanation, this was your classwork. For homework what you have to do, you have to practice these changes. Okay, you might have computer or laptops in your home. अगर नहीं भी है then do watch this video again. Okay, and if you have your computer or laptop, do practice this. Okay, अगर नहीं है then watch this video and whenever I am going to say कि undo यहाँ पे, तो just try by yourself कि undo का option कहाँ पे आता है या redo का कहाँ पे आता है या इसका shortcut की क्या है. Okay, so do practice these all things. That's all for this class. Thank you and have a nice day.